Top three was Ridge Solar, Signature Solar, and MPPT Solar. But the one that came out ahead of all of them was Ridge Solar. I just want you to know how great these people are, because they helped me pick out all the different equipment that I needed. You know, I was able to talk to tech support anytime. This is before I even bought anything. Asked tons of questions. They were happy to call me back, respond to my emails, so I ultimately chose to go with them. And I can tell you, it was the best decision I made. But the reason I picked Ridge Solar, and the thing that I can say about Ridge Solar, is there isn't one single point in this entire process that I ever felt like they didn't have my back.
We are down at the Courtside RV show, getting all set up and stuff, ready to install your Ridge solar panels.
Hello everyone from Solar Bills here in Courtside, Arizona. We are installing 1200 watts of Ridge solar panels, 6 200 watt solar panels. We are installing this 250 watt solar panels from Ridge. So to avoid the shading, we put high mounts. You see that?